Welcome to Modern Farming. We're here to introduce you to the latest machines and technology that are completely transforming agriculture. From planting to harvesting, we're bringing you innovations that make farming easier, more efficient, and more productive. Join us as we explore the most modern agriculture machines that will not only be more efficient but will also take less effort and time. So, let's begin. Caduth Seed Cum Fertilizer Drill. You may have seen a drill machine or a fertilizer machine, but have you seen a machine that performs both operations at the same time? This innovative machine, Caduth Seed Cum Fertilizer, comes with an innovative technology that drills holes in the land and adds fertilizer simultaneously. Instead of needing separate machines or doing things by hand, farmers can use this one machine to plant seeds and feed their crops at the same time. This not only saves a lot of time but also makes farming more efficient and less tiring. The Seed Cum Fertilizer drill comes with two hoppers. One is used to store seeds while the other one stores fertilizer. Farmers attach this drill to a tractor to use it on the farms. When used, the machine can adjust the depth of the seed using a planting mechanism. It also comes with technology to regulate the stable flow of both the seeds and the fertilizer. This machine is a game changer for farmers. It helps them get their crops growing quickly and healthily without needing lots of different equipment or spending ages in the field. Plus, it's better for the soil because it doesn't churn it up too much like some other machines might. Robo Tree Shaker. Humans have been plucking fruits from trees for quite a long time, but this machine has revolutionized fruit harvesting by handling this task more efficiently and on its own. Robo Tree Shaker, as the name says, shakes the trees, which causes all the required fruits to fall off the tree. This task is done in a mere few minutes, which would otherwise take hours if done by humans. This machine has a mechanical arm with grippers on its tip. These grippers hold the trunk of the tree firmly before shaking the tree. It comes with a sensory system that allows the machine to gently shake the tree. It means only the ripe fruits will fall and the rest will stay on the trees. The latest models of this tree shake are coming with AI technology that enables the machine to make its own decision based on the information from its sensors and imaging system. In short, it can handle the whole fruit harvesting work without the need of any farmer. The Mary Crusher MJHS 240. Clearing the land of the unrequired bushes, branches, trees, or other vegetation is hectic work. But this machine can do the tough work in mere few moments by crushing everything in the way. It is used to make space for new crops or buildings. It is preferable for new crops because this machine grinds the bushes and makes them a part of the soil, which later on helps as fertilizer. Sometimes, it is specifically used for making fertilizers. Besides clearing land, the MJHS 240 crusher performs other important tasks. It is great for getting rid of rocks and stones from fields. These stones can be a big problem for farming equipment, causing damage or getting in the way of planting. The machine can crush these rocks into smaller pieces, making them easier to manage or even turning them into a useful layer of gravel for roads or pathways. Lastly, it's easy to use. Farmers can easily adjust the depth and speed of the crusher with an easy control system. This means they don't have to adjust minor issues themselves and can get the job done much more quickly and efficiently without any specialized training. The Radish Harvester Jet 3. This machine performs the special task of harvesting radishes without causing damage to the crops. Since radishes grow underground, picking them up can damage the rest of the crops, but this machine with its innovative technology allows farmers to pick the radishes very carefully, ensuring the rest of the crops remain undamaged. Farmers can adjust the settings of the Radish Harvester Jet 3 to suit different field conditions and radish varieties. This flexibility allows for optimal performance across various soil types and crop sizes. By adapting the machine settings, farmers can ensure efficient harvesting while preserving the quality of the radishes. This machine is useful for farmers because it works quickly and on a large scale, which means it eliminates the need for manual labor. It completes hours of labor work in less than an hour and with greater efficiency. Rantizo Agricultural Drone Sprayer. This cutting-edge technology drone is used to spray on crops more efficiently and quickly. Unlike traditional machinery, it can cover larger areas of crops at once, making it a more time-saving machine. The Rantizo drone sprayer is mainly used for spraying fertilizers from the air with great precision. This function ensures the nutrients are spread over the whole crop. Other than this, Herbicides and insecticides are also sprayed using this drone to protect the crops from diseases and insects. This agriculture drone sprayer is a convenient option for farmers because they can control the drone with a controller. They can move the drone to spray on specific areas of the crops. Moreover, the drone can go to any spots where it would have been difficult with traditional machinery like steep slopes. In short, the Rantizo drone sprayer is a more eco-friendly and farming-friendly machine that ensures better performance in less time. Raspberry Harvester Machine. Moving from an agriculture drone, let's talk about an agricultural robot called Rubian Raspberry Harvester. This machine uses AI technology to pick raspberries from the farms. It looks like a small vehicle that has grippers on it, also called fingers. The Raspberry Harvester moves in the farms and uses its cameras and sensors to detect the ripened raspberries. Using its grippers, it picks those raspberries and moves them to the converter belt where the berries are stored. The AI technology allows the machine to make all the decisions from moving to picking the berries and storing them in storage. This automated procedure allows the farmers more free time than they would have spent picking the ripened berries manually. The Komatsu Forest Harvester. Cutting down a tree is one of the most difficult physical works ever done by humans. But thanks to technology, this machine can cut down a whole tree in a matter of minutes. The forest harvester is not only used for cutting down trees, but it is also capable of removing down its branches and then cutting the trunk down into wooden logs. For cutting the trees, it uses its strong cutting head that can handle trees of different sizes, whether they're softwood or hardwood. It's really good at making precise cuts, which is important for safety and efficiency. After that, it moves to delimbing using its hydraulic arms and cutting blades. As the branches are removed, the harvester cuts it into logs of specific lengths using the blades. It's really accurate, so it can measure and cut the logs exactly how they're needed. This is a really useful machine because a person can simply control it from the seat and the machine completes all 3 tasks in less than an hour. The Optimal Tree Spade. Wood is important for our houses and furniture, but what's essential is the preservation of the trees, and Optimal Tree Spade does exactly that. It can dig a tree from its roots and relocate it to another place without damaging its roots. The machine has digging blades that penetrate the soil around the tree powered by a hydraulic press. These digging blades penetrate deep enough to create a root ball, thus covering most of the roots of the tree. It then carefully lifts the tree while making sure the roots and branches of the tree don't get damaged. After the tree is lifted, it is then transported to a different location using a truck. Some models of Optimal Tree Spade also come with wheels and they can transport the tree themselves. Traditional tree spades are operated manually, but some advanced machines come with automated systems. They have sensors that can detect the health of the tree, the condition of the soil, and how much hydraulic pressure is required to dig the soil without damaging the tree. This automated machine is more efficient, precise, and more convenient for the operators. The Nio Technologies Oz Robot. The Nio Technologies Oz Robot is a helpful tool for farmers, especially when it comes to managing weeds in their fields. Imagine it like a smart, autonomous gardener that helps keep the crops healthy. This robot is equipped with special sensors, chips, and cameras that allow it to roam around the fields all by itself. It's like a little robot scout, constantly on the lookout for weeds among the crops. After spotting weeds in the crops, it uses different methods to get rid of them, like pulling them out with small tools or applying just the right amount of herbicide. And the best part is it does this without damaging the crops nearby, thanks to its precise sensors and careful movements. So, instead of spending hours manually weeding their fields or resorting to lots of chemicals, farmers can save much of their time and effort by using the Nio Technologies Oz Robot. By the way, it is also more environmentally friendly because it reduces the use of herbicides that farmers use to prevent weeds from growing. Oxbow 9240 Coffee Harvester. Would you like to get a cup of coffee? Because the last machine on our list harvests the coffee that enjoy every day. The Oxbow 9240 Coffee Harvester comes with cutting-edge technology that ensures faster and easier coffee harvesting. So, the question is, how is it different than other coffee harvesters? And why should farmers prefer it for coffee harvesting? Well, first of all, this machine does not only collect the coffee cherries. It also has a cleaning system that enables the machine to remove all the impurities and clean the cherries. Both these tasks are done simultaneously. This coffee harvester is equipped with a reliable picking system called the Dynerator, along with large shaking rotors. These rotors gently shake the coffee trees, ensuring all the ripe chorrito fall on the conveyor belt which is installed within the machine. After collection, the coffee cherries are passed through the cleaning system of the harvester, which cleans the cherries from all kinds of impurities or debris. This machine also comes with cutting-edge technology that includes cameras and sensors. While the camera provides farmers with better vision, the sensors enable the machine to detect the ripened coffee cherries, as well as determine the shaking force to avoid any damage to crops. So, what do you think about this coffee harvester or the other advanced machines we discussed? Or, do you know any other advanced machinery that we should include in our videos? Please let us know in the comments section. Hit the like and subscribe button to stay updated with modern agriculture. See you in the next videos. Happy farming!